welcome to Hot Springs Aesthetics. How can I help you?
Hi, yes, I was just curious what you guys do.
Okay, my name is Ricky. I'm the owner and operator of Hot Springs Aesthetics, and let me show you around. Okay. This is our lobby, as you can see, and we like our patients to come in and feel at home. So when you come in, you can have a glass of water. That is the Mountain Valley Diamond Water from downtown. Usually we have some fresh fruit. I've got to go and get some more. And we have seats. Now we really value your time here, so we don't like you to really have to relax and wait for me. So usually I try to take care of you pretty quickly, and then after your treatment we can hang out and talk and visit, but we want you to feel welcome and we want you to be relaxed when you're here. This is our coffee bar that we have. We're the home of the Clean Start weight loss program. So a lot of our coffee flavors and stuff are carb-free, sugar-free, Skinny Girl
nice.
flavoring, which we like here. And the only approved sweetener on our program is stevia. So we have stevia for our coffee, but especially on these cold mornings, we have fresh coffee here for our clients. And you can come back here. I'll give you a tour. When we moved into the building, this was one room, and we had it divided up and built into 3. So we have my office right here, and that's where I pay the bills. In here is our Clean Start weight loss program. This is where we come in and weigh in and do vital signs, and we talk about our challenges for the week while we're on the program. And kind of what's said in this room stays in this room. We've had high fives and happy times, and then sometimes we have tears. But overall, we're pretty successful. Most people lose about 15 to 20 pounds while they're on the 6-week very intense weight loss part. And then phase 2 is 6 weeks of maintenance that they still come in and weigh in, and that has shown to be very effective in keeping the weight off and resetting that basic metabolic rate. And here, this is where Kimberly Garner does her magic. I don't know that if you can see it or not, but she likes it kind of dark. And she does her facials and dermaplaning, microdermabrasion, skin treatments for acne, rosacea, hyperpigmentation, stuff like that. We try to customize a plan for you regarding your... All right, let me show you my workroom. This is the workroom that we do Botox and derma fillers. We do the Exless treatment for skin tightening and skin laxity in here. And then Dr. Rudder comes in and does stem cell and biologics in here as well, platelet-rich plasma therapy. Sometimes on the weekends we kind of schedule that for that area. But this is what we do. We take photos before and after, and come in, and really when you come in, we like to discuss what your needs are, what your goals are regarding what services that you need. So we use what we have available to customize a plan for you. Flora prep. Wow. Front as well. She's getting a picture.